Sam, what are you making on today's episode?
Kirby.
Bam! Look what I made.
Oh, why he only has 1 foot? That's an abomination.
What is the black for?
The eyes.
Can we show the viewers what we made so far?
Made
That's amazing. And I want to see how you make this so I can impress my family by making the same thing. You can inspire a lot of children around the world what we make.
Excuse me.
So, this is Kirby, huh?
And this is who I made.
Dun, 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 dun.
Kirby.
Can you make me one more character?
Sure, but you should subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for next week.
Okay.